jinglehniam puja mentau usnem ha ka jylla kan sdang Naduh ka 2tarik bat kut pat hadu ka 2tarik penbena ka Central Puja Committee ha ka negasngi palei. U Presiden ke Central Puja Committee uba naba bata charji habakren bat kilat pathai khubor ula kentu ya baro gitu ki batmu ban leit na kawai ka pandal syakawai pat bakin pendon kam da ki bosaw ki ban ya wat hadu kapor khatwai shiteng baje menmet.
It's after 2 years that Central Puja Committee is holding this press meet. Last 2 years, because of the pandemic, we could not meet. So the festival season is here, and by the grace of Almighty, this year we have a normal situation as far as the COVID-19 is concerned. So I'm sure that all the festivities, starting with Durga Puja, followed by Diwali, Eid, Christmas, will be held under normal circumstances. So this year the pujas begin on the first is the installation, and we have from the 2nd till the 4th of October, little early this year. And I have with me my colleagues, all of you know Mr. Jylla, who is the General Secretary of CPC. We should start the dip and lift process. You dip and take out, symbolic, but the government is yet to provide us with all those JCBs and all which will be required.
Space also.
All our puja committees are ready for this. So I think hopefully from next year the government will provide us the infrastructure. Otherwise, the cleaning and everything is done by us. Only the carrying of the materials to Martin is done by the Shillong Municipal Board, and we are receiving full cooperation and support from all the departments. And we also appeal to all communities, irrespective, not only the faithfuls of who are celebrating Durga Puja, but Shillong has always risen above all issues to harmonize, and that is the reason also we start the puja festival with our get together of harmony, all faith, all religion, to usher in the festival season. So on behalf of CPC and all of us, we appeal to all the communities to come forward, celebrate this festival, and we solicit the support of each and every individual of the state of Shillong to be with us and celebrate this festival together.
I would like to appeal to each and everyone to collectively to support us, to help us for constructing the permanent structure of immersion hut. And for that purpose, we have almost completed all the formalities for site plan and estimate. We have submitted to the competent authority, to the Meghalaya, Government of Meghalaya.
Important points. One is the traffic, which all of us we are experiencing, and it has reached the saturation point. So what we have decided, and the administration also has agreed, and we have written to the government, that these SPTS buses should be given, and it will ply till 11:30. And we are requesting all the devotees to utilize these buses, number one, and number two, go for pulling. You see, there is fun in walking when you are going to see from one puja pandal to another. So through our esteemed media friends, we would like to appeal to all the devotees, please avoid taking out your cars, because parking is a big challenge during, even now, normal times, so puja times. So we should not become a source of problem for other friends who are not celebrating the pujas. We should think of all. And that is the reason we are saying go for pooling, or avoid taking out your individual cars. Travel in those buses. Sufficient number of buses will be provided to take people from one point to another, and it may continue up to 11:30 at night. Number two is the environment issue. We are all seized with environmental issues, and we have seen that so many PILs and in the court, and I think as individuals also, even if it is not a judicial intervention, we should all be concerned. And I being also individually being involved in this, we are saying that like before, this year I think we will be able to achieve 100% where artificial dyes will not be used, maximum of earth and hay, and before the immersion there will be cleaning of the place in immersion place, and subsequent within 24 or 36 hours these all the idols and whatever else is there will be removed. Now from last few years we have made provision that whatever puja materials are not dumped into the river. All of you might have seen we make separate arrangements where all these are dumped into a basket which is kept there, so that these materials are not dumped into the river.